We came in and reframed everything with a treated material so as not to have to worry about rot or termite damage, and then we laid composite decking and a composite rail system so that it would be, a lasting and maintenance free.
The service from Mike was really great. He came out, he looked the deck over with me, helped make some recommendations. We're super happy with the way the deck turned out. We've had all our friends come over, and everyone's just completely blown away. It's the best part of the house right now, so we couldn't be happier with the way the deck turned out.
From the very beginning, we started from the ground up, and we're able to complete a very, very nice deck for him.
We're very happy with the service we got and the final product, so we really can't say enough good things about them.
My name is David Reese, and I'm really glad I called Best Rate Repair.
Mike Spencer, I'm Vice President and Sales Manager at Best Rate Repair Company in San Diego.
My name is Vincent Lummis, and I'm glad that I called Best Rate Repair Services.
My name is Don Scouten. I'm an estimator and project manager for Best Rate Repair.